keep open.
Yeah, it's popping.
Yeah. Now I can. Oh, it's open. It's open.
Use your hand.
Okay. Mommy, keep open.
It pops to the last kernel. You see, there's no kernel remaining here. Everything is popped, and the good part is that it pops without oil. You don't need to add oil or any kind of fattening. No margarine, no butter, no oil, and everything pops. See, everything popped 100%.
Wow. Yes, it's 100.